Ready for some serious secrets about women, how to capture our attention so quickly and escalate our attraction for you? Then make sure you stay with me to the end of this video to know the secrets about women that most men do not know. So you knowing these secrets will help you stand out and get her attracted to you like a magnet. Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be talking about the things you need to know to get any woman attracted to you easily. And the first secret you need to know is that she doesn't want you to fix everything. More often than not, she just wants you to listen to her. She wants to talk about things. She doesn't want you to try and fix it. She just wants to feel listened to. Now, being a good listener is one of the most attractive traits and something most women look out for in a partner. Most women look out for that empathetic quality in a man. A woman wants you to understand how she's feeling. She wants you to pay attention to her worries and fears. The second secret is that women like men who are romantic. So set up dates for her, give her flowers, treat her like a queen, go on a trip, surprise her with small gifts. You see, a charming personality is everything, but yet it is something most men do not have. I know there's a notion that in order to charm a woman, you need to be arrogant. Well, know that this is the opposite of what is true. Listen, a charmer isn't arrogant. He's a flatterer, a listener, and a smooth talker. So improve your body language around women, learn your manners around them, and that's how you start to master the art of being charming. Number three is vulnerability. You see, it doesn't come as a surprise that this is one of the qualities women look out for in a man. And this is often because when he's vulnerable, he can make you happy both emotionally and mentally. So when a woman falls in love, she wants both a partner and a best friend because no woman wants to experience a power struggle when they are in a relationship. Number four is compromise. Listen, having the willingness to compromise is not only something women look out for in a man, but it is something that is essential to any relationship. I mean, someone unwilling to compromise on things like a date spot or who drives the car will definitely not be able to handle bigger issues in the future. And this is why you need a good balance between compromise and patience. Remember, love is patient, love is kind. So it's no wonder women look for patience in a man even when things aren't going his way. You see, the opposite of being patient is being temperamental. And that's never an attractive trait to see in anyone. No woman will want a man who throws punches or who screams when he gets angry or has a bad day. Number five is assertiveness. Women love a man who is not fickle minded, a man who can put people in their place when they overstep their boundaries, a man who is not a pushover. So, if you're asking what things women are looking at for in a man, then it is the ability to make decisions and stick to them. It is your ability to be assertive when it matters. You see, a guy who is a pushover is one of the worst kind of men in the hierarchy of dating. A pushover is a guy who prefers to accept defeat just to avoid conflict with someone who is dominating him. And that shouldn't be you if you're looking to attract a woman you like. Number six is humor. Listen, it takes less than a minute for a girl to know if a guy has a good sense of humor while having a conversation with him. And that's all you need to impress a girl. You can possibly make her fall in love with you with the right joke. So don't be afraid to use your humor on that girl you like. For all you know, your humor is your best chance of getting her to notice you. Have a light-hearted and fun approach towards life and try to look at the bright side all the time. And I assure you that you will draw women to you like a magnet. You see, having a sense of humor and making jokes out of the blue is another trait that automatically makes the connection more fun. Number seven is confidence. Confidence is a great trait to have for any man. It is an inner strength that is seen and envied by anyone you meet. Confidence is the most attractive trait of anyone. Well, this not to be confused with arrogance, of course, as there's a fine line between confidence and arrogance. Every woman wants a man that believes in his abilities and capabilities because it means he doesn't need external validation to prove who he is and what he can do. Number eight is leadership. It's no secret that women are often attracted to men who display the ability to lead others. Most women are drawn to men who take responsibility for their actions and are firm in their beliefs. A person's ability to lead is an indication of maturity, and women are drawn to men with strong convictions who follow through on their decisions. So, making long term plans and being resolute in the pursuit of your objectives will make women stick to you like a magnet. Number nine is attentiveness. You need to be attentive if you want to attract women to you. Attracting women means talking to them, paying attention to them when you're together, and taking an interest in their life. Doing this will show her that she's important to you and will eventually make her desire you. Number 10 is passion. To be attractive to women, you need to be passionate about something. You see, having something that you find important to you may be a great way to show her your personality. After all, you want to make sure she can see who you really are. Number 11 is spontaneity. Everyone wants to have fun. So make some time for it in your own life. It doesn't matter what type of fun it is. The important thing is to make sure you enjoy your time alone and that you're spending time with your woman doing something fun. Try to initiate fun dates and something that you both enjoy. The key is to be spontaneous about it. Number 12 is appearance. A healthy appearance doesn't mean that you need to be slim or fit. The truth is, women are attracted to men of all body types, but still, it is important to show that you take care of yourself. This could mean grooming your hair, looking neat, and so on. Doing this will show your potential partner that you take pride in your appearance. Number 13 is honesty. You must be honest with your potential partner to maintain attractiveness. No matter what happens, you are going to want them to be open and honest with you. So make sure you're doing the same. That's how they learn they can trust you. And it is also how they know you won't hurt them because feeling safe is important for many women. And without this assurance, they may not feel attraction. Number 14 is stance. You see, the way you carry yourself can play an important role in how you're perceived by women. Slouching, for example, can make you appear less confident. So, standing up straight and practicing good stance will help ensure a potential date look at you in a completely different way. And the last secret is challenge. Ideally, relationships should be calm and relaxed, but not boring. So, though you want to have a smooth sailing relationship free of arguments or disagreements, many women still crave an element of challenge. So, doing one or more of these things I just talked about would help you attract the woman of your dream or increase the attraction in your current relationship. Thanks for watching. If you've learned something from this video, please do consider subscribing to my channel for more videos like this. Drop your opinions or questions in the comment section. Like and share this video with your friends and family. See you in my next video.